Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel. On my channel I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. It would mean the world to me. And actually, as you guys can see, I'm pretty close to the 1K mark, and that's the little hump to get over in YouTube land. So if you guys could help me, and if you have not subscribed, hit on that little subscribe button. It would really help me get to my 1K mark, and I would truly appreciate it. And of course, to all my regular subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, I have some friend mail from Amber Meeks, and she sent this box out to like 15 of us YouTubers out there. And if you do not know her channel, she is a DIYer. She does a lot of other videos too. She does unboxings and all sorts. But her main love is DIY. So if you do not know her and you are a DIYer, you just need to go on. I will leave a link right up here to her channel. Go check her out. You really like her. But this past week, I've already had this box for a week, and this past week's was my daughter's baby shower, and I was throwing it. And if anybody's ever thrown a baby shower, you know how much work goes into behind the scenes. So needless to say, I have got behind on my videos, I've got behind on my unboxings, but I did manage, I just want to say I'm going to catch up on everybody's, but I did manage to watch a couple minutes of Life with Lois when she was opening this box, and I got about 3-4 minutes into the video and I stopped watching because I didn't want to see no more, because Amber did a little something unique in each box, and it's kind of fun. It's kind of like a little lottery surprise kind of thing, and I didn't want to see anymore, and I haven't watched anyone else's video, but I'm super excited because maybe I won. I hope. I don't know. But yeah, with all that said, let's go ahead and open this and get straight into it. And by the way, you can see how cute she makes everything. She does not do anything halfway. All her boxes are adorable. She puts stickers all over everything. Like I said, she's just a fabulous, fabulous lady. And if you're asking, well, it says top, open this end. Glad I just saw that. If you are asking, well, how did your daughter's baby shower go? Well, it went fantastic. She got a lot of gifts. It turned out really great. There was no major hang-ups. Everything went off without a hitch. It was a little stressful. Yeah, it's a lot of work that goes into that, but it was fun and it turned out fantastic. And I will put together a little montage one day in the future. But for today's video, we're not talking about that. We are going to get straight into this and see what she sent. Okay, so I'm just going to put this right over here, and then I'm going to put everything down here so you guys can see. So look how adorable that is. I mean, come on, adorable. So she has it tied nicely right here. And speaking of baby showers, one of Amber's latest videos was a diaper cake, and she showed everybody how to make a diaper cake. I will leave a link right up here to that video because she just released it like within the last week. So here's the little card she put in here. It says Happy Easter. And I cannot wait to see everyone else's I don't know why I'm trying to cut that with scissors. That's not necessary, but how about I just open it? I cannot wait to see everybody else's video that she and see what everyone else has got. So here's a little letter. I'll read it to you guys. She goes, you know what you did? You supported a dream. That's really awesome. Thank you so much. The sticker above is referencing your support of the channel. It is my dream to one day to be able to teach people how to make things, and being subscribed to my channel and taking the time to watch my videos puts me one step closer to making that dream come true. Thank you for all your support and friendship. Love, your crazy, in all capital letters, friend, Amber. You're welcome, Amber, and I will gladly support you. And like I said, go check out her channel. I'm telling you, the diaper cake was really beautiful. Let's see. And there's another little something in here. And she goes, Sheila, I hope that you enjoy this little box of goodies I put together for you. I did make one item in the bag that is YouTube related. It is not as awesome as the mug that I designed for all of you, but, oh, I wish I would have put the mug on my counter. Is it up there? Hold on 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Here is what she put in our last friend mail. This is what she is talking about. I keep it over there on my by my computer when I'm watching my Face Mask Mondays. I was recently using this, and I put little pins and little whatnots. I got receipts in there. So this is what she made us last time in our friend mail. So I thought that was really cute. Look how cute that turned out. So I love my mug. I use it right over there, Amber, all the time by my computer. I designed for all of you, but it is still fun and something that is functional. Anything that you can't use, eat, or just don't like, feel free to pass on to someone else. Thanks so much for being such an awesome friend. You're welcome, and thank you for being my friend, and thank you for putting me on your friend list. I'm really honored by that. Okay, so you know what? I had it backwards. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this box. Now look at this little bow. She does excellent bows, by the way. So diaper cake and bows. At Christmas time, she shows you how to make bows. She takes you step by step. But this, of course, is her little Easter box or Easter bow. And she has it wrapped really, really adorably. So that is so cute. And I hope everyone has a lovely Easter this upcoming Sunday. I'm starting to get ready for that. We're going to have my daughter, my son-in-law, my mother is coming over, and me and my husband. So it's only going to be 5 of us, but we're going to have a nice, lovely little Easter dinner at our house. Now, let me see. Put these cute little tags on here. Oh. Here, just let me cut it. I can't see if I'm tightening it or loosening it. All right, so we got a little name tag here. Oh, look at this. She put a whole bunch of little goody stuff in here. So she got a fortune cookie. I gotta open it. Okay, I want to see what my fortune cookie says. Are you guys ready? Let's see what it says. Okay, this is perfect for Easter. I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. John 8:12. Perfect for Easter, Amber. Okay, let's put the fortune cookie over there. So she got religious fortune cookies. How awesome. And she has this right here. A fortune teller, magical bunny. Place the magical bunny in the palm of your hand. The movement will indicate your feelings. Oh my goodness, this sounds fun. And then it tells you what the movement means. Okay, I want to bring this in close. It says, place the magical bunny in the palm of your hand. The movements will indicate your feelings. Okay, so here is the magical bunny. So let me put him in there and see what he does. And he is definitely curling in on himself. And that means curling sides means mixed emotions. Yep, and that's what he did. He curled in on himself. So, mixed emotions. Well, what a cute game. Okay, this is something else. This is called Whack-a-Pack of Balloons. Balloon inflates before your eyes. Whack-a-Pack. Are you guys seeing that? Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Oh my goodness. Oh my God, this is so adorable. I love it. Whack-a-Pack of balloons. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? How many kids are going to get that in their Easter basket? Well, being I'm going to be a grandma, I'll probably be buying my green kid one of those. I don't want to give away sex that I already know. I'm going to have a special video for that one. Stay tuned for that one, guys. It's going to be exciting and fun. We have a sour carnival. Ooh, that's cute, and that's so Eastery. We have some Annie cookies, and we have some Annie cheddar squares. Yes, I love Annie's. She sent these to me before. They're all organic. And we have Annie cheddar bunnies. So we'll put all this out. Some sour candy and some more Annie's bunny grams. So baked snacks. And we have another fortune cookie. Maybe I'm going to get on Amazon and see if I can find that. I wonder where you found that at. That would be nice to put on the Easter plates. I'm going to have to check into that. Amber, if you are watching this, let me know where you got those, if that's easy to get in time. Today's already Tuesday, so I don't know. If it comes with Prime, I'll be able to get it. Okay, she got a little note on this, and this is the one I was talking about. This is the one where I was watching Life with Lois, and this is the reason I stopped watching, because I didn't want to know. Okay, let me read this to you guys. This is a little game that I thought would be fun to play. I sent one of these envelopes to everyone, and most contain a $1 bill. One has a $10 bill. One has a $20 bill. I made sure to use all the same kind of envelopes, stuck them in a bowl, mixed them all up, so I would be just as surprised as you are as to how much is in your envelope. So that is the reason I stopped watching Life with Lois. I know Life with Lois got a $1 bill, so that's the reason I didn't watch anybody else's, because this is going to be fun, and I didn't want to see like what like if the $20 bill has been revealed. I did not want to know, or the $10 bill. So, are you guys ready? I got the $1 bill. I'm still happy. It was fun to wait and make sure I don't watch. So that means somebody else out there got the $10 and the $20 bill. So I'm going to have to find out who it was. So thank you, Amber. That was an awesome, fun game. Very, very fun game. Okay, and then she sent something else, and this is kills viruses in seconds, and I've seen these are little ones. I have picked them up several times, so I'm very glad that she sent this to me, and I can't wait to play with it. And, oh, how adorable. This would look so cute, like on the table too, at Easter. This is probably going to be on my Easter table, Amber. I'm going to like put this in the centerpiece somehow. I don't know how, but I'm going to use that because that is just too adorable. Look at that. She probably made that too. Trust me, guys, she probably made that. So let's see what she... Oh my goodness, how beautiful. Give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good, for his mercy endureth forever. Oh, and it's a little box. How beautiful. That is lovely. A lovely little box. So I will put that in my centerpiece also somewhere. So I really like that. So that's cute, Amber. Thank you very much. And this is going to get in the centerpiece somehow too. Look at that. Look at the little the bunny. Oh my goodness. And she's got some mask. Oh, well, Mask Monday. If you guys don't know about us ladies who have Mask Monday, I will leave a link up here also so you guys can check that out. We love doing our masks, so thank you very much. And I do not have the Freeman Detoxifying Mud Mask. It's charcoal and black sugar. Ooh, that'll be a fun look, right? And then she sent me some eyeshadow from NYX. And... oh, that's perfect, Amber. Oh, Sheila tube. Oh, it looks like it's going to be a little mirror. Oh, I'm just opening it the wrong way. So it's just a little mirror. Put that in my purse. I'll be like, oh, everybody needs to check out Sheila tube. You know, I've been thinking of changing my name too. Sheila tube. I don't know. It's a possibility. It's not bad. Sheila tube. Nobody loves you like Jesus. Okay, it's just a little notebook. So thank you. I'll stick that in my purse too. Man, look at all these little, look at all these little baskets or little totes she made. Oh my goodness. I'm saving these for my grandchild. Yes, I am. That is precious. Oh, and we have a blue and a pink. So, you know, that's going to work for whatever grandchild I got, which I already know I ain't saying. I got a special video coming up, guys, though. You just wait and see. Oh, how beautiful. No greater love. Oh, Amber, I love that you stuck with the true meaning of Easter and not just Easter bunnies, which, of course, we all love our Easter bunnies, but you included God and Jesus. Easter is a reminder of Jesus' love for us all. Even though perfect and without sin, there were those who refused to accept him, their denial resulting in his crucifixion. Resurrection Sunday celebrates Jesus' victory over the grave. Christ gave up his life so that we can live. It is Christ alone that we receive salvation and eternal life. And that is the true meaning of Easter. Great. And there's another cute little bag. Oh, I'm going to stuff this on my Easter table. So I have 2 bags, 2 of these bunny bags, and I have 2 of these bags. So I'm going to make some cute centerpieces. You just wait. And this looks like some kind of egg. And not just the, oh my goodness. Oh, looks like a Fabergé egg. Look how gorgeous with the little legs on it. And oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is so pretty. Oh, Amber, that is really lovely. I hope you guys are seeing all this and this is all staying in frame. And I have one more mask, and this is a sheet mask too. And this is a Soothing Aloe sheet mask. So thank you. Thank you, Amber. I hope you have a wonderful Easter. I hope you have a wonderful dinner. Thank you for reminding us what Easter really is about, and it is about Jesus. And of course, little Easter bunnies too. That's always fun. So thank you for your wonderful gift. It really means the world to me, and I'm so honored to be included on your friend list. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video that Amber, my little box that Amber put together for me. And I can't wait to go check out all the other ladies. Like I said, I will put everybody's link in the description box down below. And I am dying to find out who won the $10 and who won the $20. Okay, guys, until next video, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.